Beautiful day here at Lake Powell. Down here at the end of the runway on the far side on Sage. It's a really good spot to be. They're doing another flyby. Hope the camera's catching us. Beautiful day. I'm right here at the end of the runway. We come in for a landing, go all the way down, goes towards Lake Powell. And if you miss your runway, you go in the lake. But it's a beautiful day here. It's Tower Butte, Navajo Mountain, oldest volcano around. Out there we got the Navajo Generating Station. And over here, can't see it because it's facing the sun. We got a chopper coming in. Might be able to catch him. Hear him? You can hear him pretty good. Grand Canyon Tours. And at the far end, we got two more aircrafts coming in. Can't tell if he's doing a flyby or if he's going to land. Looks like they're landing. Yeah, they landed. Well, that's the end of that part of the show. And there'll be more coming up later, but in the meantime, I'm heading home.